Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best ear cuff sterling silver set you can find on the market, the Jstyle 20-piece adjustable ear cuffs earring set. Whether you're someone who loves to accessorize without committing to piercings or just looking to spice up your style with some versatile jewelry, this set is designed to meet those needs in style and comfort. The Jstyle ear cuffs come in an impressive collection of 20 different designs, offering you a wide range of looks to complement any outfit or occasion. From delicate flower cuffs to personalized crosses, classic U-shaped domes, trendy 3-row wraps, hollow cuffs, and sparkling cubic zirconia cartilage earrings, this set has something for everyone. Each piece is thoughtfully crafted to suit various parts of your ear, whether it's the conch, helix, tragus, or even the earlobe. This versatility means you can mix and match to create a unique style that's all your own. One of the standout features of this set is the quality of the material used. These ear cuffs are made from high-quality stainless steel, specifically healthy 316L surgical steel, which is known for being durable, rust-proof, and gentle on the skin. This means you won't have to worry about the metal turning your skin green or causing irritation, making it perfect for everyday wear. The surface of each cuff is highly polished, offering a comfortable wear feeling while retaining its shine and color over time. So your ear cuffs will always look fresh and vibrant. Another major plus is the non-piercing design. If you've ever wanted to experiment with ear cuffs but have hesitated because you don't want to get your ears pierced or deal with the pain, this set is perfect for you. The adjustable clip-on style allows you to wear these cuffs securely without any discomfort, giving you the freedom to enjoy trendy ear jewelry without any commitment or damage to your ears. The craftsmanship is evident in the well-polished round ends of the posts, ensuring they don't scratch or irritate your skin. The plating is well done, contributing to long-lasting color retention and a premium look. The design and build quality also make these cuffs suitable for both men and women who want to add a subtle yet stylish statement to their look. Beyond just aesthetics, the Jstyle ear cuffs are lightweight and easy to wear, making them perfect for daily use, special events, or even gifting. The package dimensions make it convenient for travel or storing your collection safely. Plus, with such a diverse range of styles, you can effortlessly transition from casual daytime looks to elegant evening wear. In summary, the Jstyle 20-piece adjustable ear cuff set is a fantastic choice if you're after stylish, durable, and comfortable ear cuffs that don't require piercing. With its variety of designs, high-quality surgical steel construction, and non-piercing adjustable clips, it truly stands out as the best sterling silver ear cuff set you can invest in. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this overview and want to see more honest product reviews and guides, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until next time, keep accessorizing and stay stylish.